On the eastern edge of the Democratic Republic of Congo, where land meets water and history meets resilience, lies the city of Goma. Resting quietly along the shores of Lake Kivu and beneath the shadow of Gongo, one of the world's most active volcanoes, Goma is a city shaped by nature, challenge, and strength. At first glance, it is a town of movement. Motorbikes weave through the streets, market pulse with life. Fishermen head out into the lake at sunrise. But beneath the surface, Goma carries a deep story. One of survival, rebuilding, and unwavering spirit. Over the years, this city has faced volcanic eruption, shifting landscapes and period of uncertainties. Yet each time its people rise again, business reopen, school filled with laughter, and life continues. Goma is more than headlines. It is more than its struggle. It is a culture, community, and quiet determination. It is the rhythm of everyday life against an extraordinary backdrop. In this documentary, we explore the heart of Goma, its people, its beauty, and its resilience. This is Goma town, a city living between fire and water.
What up, my good people? It's African Moran again, and today I'm coming live to you from the city of Goma. They say, yeah, Boye Malamu Goma. Welcome to the city of Goma. So today I'll be exploring the city of Goma. As we all know, of late, Goma has been experiencing a lot of insecurities, but I'm hoping I'm not going to face any problem while I'm recording my video. So you guys, I'm going to take you to the downtown, try and see what happens in the local market, try some local food, then I show you Goma. So guys, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, remember to like, remember to share. Let's do this. Goma town, Malamu, Boye Malamu. What's up, my people? I've just taken a motorbike. I'm heading to the largest market, Kituku market. So this is the famous Chukuru. Goma is very developed, as you can see. It's not what you think.
hapa karibu sana.
Yes, I'm in the rich neighborhoods of Goma town, heading to the Kitugu city. This is how the rich neighborhood looks like. People with money, they live here. Just arrived in a local market called Gituku. I want to see what Gituku has to offer for me. Yeah, it's a local, one of the most vibrant local markets we have around in DRC. Salama. Ini nini? Yeah. Ma?
Mafuta.
Oh, ni mafuta. Ni mafuta samaki.
Mafuta.
Okay. It's a local cooking oil. Don't know it. It's made from what? Hii mafuta inatengenezwa na nini?
Ngazi.
Nga?
Ngazi.
Ngazi ni nini?
Ni mtu wanapanda.
Kwa mti?
Ngazi ndio pale umemfrance.
Oh. It's an interesting cooking oil. I've never seen it in my life, but it's all over. It's made from a plant. The same. So guys, this is a Gituku market for you. This is how it looks like. Down here we have the Gituku port. Gituku port of Lake Kivu. So these are boats bringing foodstuffs from all over. From the islands, food being taken from the mainland, going to the islands. And these are the boats, so they look like. These are the boats for you. That's it. Yeah, these are all boats moving stuffs from the mainland, heading to the islands. Yo, so my people, I've been stopped there by some guys. They wanted to know who I am. I've explained myself. I don't do politics. I'm just here to show the good life, and that's what I'm trying to show you, how the town looks like. A lot of green stuff. This is a Gituku market for you. So I had been pulled to explain myself what I'm doing in the market. So I had to explain myself to show my channel. As we all know, this town is under the Pact Authority. So I had to explain myself. Me, I don't do politics. I'm just here for the good, vibes. Hello. So this is Kituku market for you.
These are noir blossoms.
Salama. Hii tunaona wanawake. Salama. Sio hiyo yenye natafuta. Salama. Hizi ndogo. So my people, that's Kituku for you. I couldn't stay longer because I have explained to you what has happened, so I don't want to stay longer. So I'm checking out. I haven't bought anything from Kituku market, but let me just check out. Yo, what up my good people? It's Moran again. I've just taken another motorbike. I'm heading to an hotel somewhere, restaurant. I want to have some bites. Let's meet at Lake Kivu. And this is Goma for you.
Thanks. Da, iko mzuri.
Thank you. People, I'm in Lake Kivu. I've just arrived here some few minutes ago. I want to have my late lunch. So I must eat some pork. I must eat some pork to sanitize and drink some cold beer. Pork and beer. It's me. So guys, generally this is how this place looks like. It's a very, very chill place. Very quiet. Very green. And I'm just loving the place. So this is how my good place looks like. And down there we have the Lake Kivu. It's interesting. interesting place. Very attractive. So I've just placed my order. I want to take some pork and some cold beer. Meanwhile, as we wait for the pork and beer, let me show you the Lake Kivu. The famous Lake Kivu. There's some guys with a boat. I can see them there. They're riding a small boat. You have the big ships somewhere there. You can't see, it's very far, and I don't have a zoom lens. So this is Kivu, Lake Kivu for you, and the beautiful Lake Kivu. Look how the seats look like, very African. And look at these ones, the way they look like. Look at the print. And these are the lights. Wow. Very interesting. And that's the bar right there. Just waiting for the bartenders to give me my cold beer and the pork. So guys, let's do this. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember to like. Remember to share, because you guys, in this year, I've made one decision. In 2026, I want to be a full-time YouTuber. I want to be a full-time content creator. And it's you guys to put me on the block. It's you guys to watch my videos, to share, and motivate me so that I may stay on the block. But this year I've made one decision. In 2026, I want to be doing a YouTube full-time. So guys, right now I'm in Goma, in the Democratic Republic of Congo. A very nice place. So remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, remember to like, remember to share. And there are so many challenges when recording videos in Goma, because you all know, you have seen from the news what's happening in Goma. So when I was in Kituku market, I was stopped. I was asked, who am I? Why am I recording videos? So I told the guys, I'm just showing the positive part of Goma. I'm not interested in their politics, their shenanigans. Me, I'm just here for the good vibes. So my beer is almost here. It's my cold beer. Oh, thank you. That's my cold beer. I like it. Primus beer. I like it. So I'm just getting up my beer here, drinking my beer as I wait for the food, because I'm 3 hungry, I'm 4 hungry, I'm 5 hungry. I haven't eaten anything from morning. I've been on the road just recording videos. That's it. So stay around. Yes, my food is here. Some pork, fries, and some beer. And this is the sauce. We have chili, mayonnaise, and tomato sauce. And this is our salt and our spices. Yeah. So, bon appetit. Merci beaucoup. So guys, I'm done with my late lunch and it's my time to check out. The lunch was very interesting. It was a nice one. Very, very sweet. And now it's my time to say goodbye and leave. Shukran.
No, something to take a transport for transport for the road.
Me?
If you give Dave some
Tomorrow I'm coming.
And the time.
Tomorrow I'll come. The day after tomorrow?
Just never come.
No, I'll be a visitor here. Yeah, this guy's on some tip. But I'm checking out. My lunch was super. It was good. And it's my time now to hit the road. This is a relaxing place of the Airtel. So guys, I'm just full. I'm full. I'm just lazing around. I'm just lazing around. And I want to check out Jambo. But before I check out, I want to show you something interesting here. These are artifacts. Like this one is $15.
Yeah?
No, I'm just showing on my camera it's $15. No, I'll come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll come. So guys, I am off. That small motor, that small scooter, that guy is selling to me around 15 USD. Got that money. I don't have that money. Yes, but it's in. So guys, I am off from Lake Kivu. Now I'm going to take a motorbike, head to town, and go back to my place. Yes, I'm learning some French, mifra. So going to town is 10 mifra. I don't know. That's 2 francas, which is equivalent to 0.0 something dollars. This is the Hindi quarters. Oh, lava Kivu lava hapo.